Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video we will create power a number in C# programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I would like to shout out Marshmallow, Sir Ernil, and Ma'am Rubilin. So let's get started. So we have here a console application in C# and Microsoft Visual Studio. So we have here new line here. The title of our program, console write, power a number in C#. New line. In this here, we are asking the user to give base number that will be stored in our variable base number. So we have here the conversion into integer format, convert to int 32 console read line, and then we have here give exponent number, so x number, and then using while loop statement we have here exponent not equals 0, result asterisk equals base number, decrement exponent number. So here we have three variables which has a data type of base number, integer, base number, exponent number, and result to 1. After that, after our loop statement, we display the result 0 result, and then end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. And then we have also here a red line. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. So let us run our code. So power a number in C#, give base number, we have 6, exponent we have 4, so the result is 1296, end of program. Another example, we have 3, and then we have 2, the result is 9, end of program. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video of power a number in C# programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this short tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.